morning, everyone. This is Tony from Her Homestead Skills, and today's video is, well, I went shopping because every Thursday we get flyers on what is on sale at the shops, and lo and behold, a couple of the shops, well, Walmart for one, and Metro, which is one of the grocery stores that I do shop in on occasion, especially for my coffee. They always have my coffee at the best price when it's on sale. So yeah, lo and behold, Walmart had a good price on my virgin olive oil that I buy by the bottle, and Metro had a sale price on my coffee. And both are items that you really can't stock up huge amounts on because you can't keep them for years. You know, the fresh coffee that I buy that you grind, you can only keep it for 6 to 8 months. You can't keep it much longer than that. So I do keep 6 to 8 packages in house, and I rotate them. And today I just picked up another 2 bags. We don't drink the amount of coffee we used to drink, which is fine. But the olive oil we do use a lot to cook with, so, and I also use it to make soap. So it's always good to have some handy. But once again, my stock had been depleted. I think I only have 4 bottles in stock, so I picked up another 4 bottles today, and that was the maximum they would allow. I mean, if I really wanted another 4, I could go back in a second time. So, but I'm good with what I picked up. Walmart, I didn't really walk through. I checked their garden area. I was looking for one of those tools that allowed you to plant bulbs, and they didn't have one. And the reason I wanted that was because I have holes cut in my ground cover cloth for my tomato plants, and I want to just be able to easily use that tool to dig the soil out from that area and plant tomatoes in the holes that are already cut. So I'll probably have to go to Canadian Tire to find that. But at Metro, I went first to Walmart, then I went to Metro. And at Metro, I was actually shocked at how many holes there are still in the shelves. And the reason I say shocked is because Thursdays are a day that the flyers come out, which means that they expect traffic on Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. That's their main traffic. And the shelves would be stocked well before the flyers come out, and there are huge amounts of empty shelves. I couldn't believe all the holes there, and I did take some pictures. One of the things that was most shocking was that the whole wall bank of freezers was empty. And I thought, oh my God, that can't be happening. Took pictures of that, and then I decided on the checkout to not just assume the worst, but I asked the girl at the checkout, and she told me that the reason there was nothing there was because their freezers were, they had broken down, and all the food was in their basement. So I don't know what they mean by that, whether they have additional freezers in their basement or what is the case, but the whole bank of freezers was empty, and it was a whole wall of them, which is huge. So anyway, sometimes it's best not to assume the worst, but to find out what the reality is. But all in all, there's still far too many holes in the shelves, and prices are still up. And unfortunately, normally when I go for sale items, I always pick up a few extra things, like something else I might want. Today, I was a little more cautious. I just picked up the sale items that I wanted and out the door. So anyway, that's my update for today. Okay, these are the items for my pantry stash, and I'm gonna just have to put my oil in the pantry and put it at the back and pull the other ones towards the front, and vacuum seal my coffee, and once again put these at the back and pull the older ones to the front. So that's it for this haul. And I'm making some more sourdough bread as we speak, and it's looking pretty good. And actually, that is one of the easiest recipes for sourdough bread. And the reason it is easier is because you're using a little less water. Oh, and she's coming along nicely. Still has to sit for another hour. One more stretch and fold before I put it in the fridge. Okay, this is Tony from Her Homestead Skills. I hope you enjoyed this little update, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.